In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox voice chat not working, so let's get started. On your Roblox account, you have to go and click on the gear icon and click on settings. Here, you just have to verify your age. Just click on verify my age and then go to privacy, and you should enable the voice chat, which is under beta features. Now, I'm not able to do that because I have to verify my age first. So you first have to do that. Okay, so the second thing that you want to do is to go and play a game. So I'm going to just open the game and then pause the game. Click on settings at the top and you just have to turn on the volume. Once you've done that, you have to unmute yourself. There's going to be a microphone icon just above your avatar, and then the next thing you can do is to go to settings and just input the device that your microphone is currently using. So I'm not able to show you that because I currently didn't verify my age, so you first have to do that. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.